Okay, so this video, what we're going to look at is how do we take this, right? And this is all in one paragraph. How do we make sure that this is set up in all one paragraph? Okay, so the first thing is we need to set this to 2 columns. And let's give us some space in between using some space afters. And let's see, if I'm looking at this, okay, this needs to span across, and so do the rest of these. It's just these 4 ones that are in bullets. So let's set those 4 in bullets. So we're looking at 1, 2, 3, these 4. And in InDesign, it makes it real easy. All you do is you click the little bullet icon. And there we go. So I'm going to make sure that these 2 things span all, right? So that goes all the way across. We're going to take span columns and just make it bigger, right? Shortcut Command Shift greater sign. All right, so that's looking pretty good. I want to make sure that the rest of these paragraphs also span all, right? So now we're just left with these 2 that are there. I'm going to take these last 2 paragraphs and we're going to do numbers. And I have an extra paragraph here, so I'm just going to get rid of it. I don't know why I left that in there. We're going to delete that. We're going to take this one and we're going to make it bigger with a little bit more space. And then I want to do a space before, right? So let's go up here. I do paragraph rule, sorry, but I want to make it above. So we're going to go Command Option J, rule above, turn that on, take my offset and go up. All right, we're going to do this at 50%, or 0.5, I should say. Okay. And then I want to indent these. Isn't that what I want to do? Yeah. I want to take these and indent these a little bit further, so they're a little bit further in. So I'm going to take, what's the best way to do that? So if I just do this, right, you can see I can indent them in, which is what I want to do. So I'm looking at this saying, all right, that's 0.6875. This last paragraph also has to be that, right? So we're going to make sure that's 0.6875. Right? And then in the end, this is smaller. I'm just going to make it smaller. So that is the way to set a paragraph up, or a whole document up like that, so it's using one paragraph. So I'm actually going to take this and give me a little bit more room here, right? Not the prettiest of setups, but showing you that all this can be done in one text box.